Hi guys, Rachel here. I'm the gemologist at BriteCo Jewelry and Watch Insurance and the jewelry expert as well. We have a small problem. Last night I had a bit of a salty dinner and a couple of beers, and the ring that I always wear on this middle finger is stuck. So instead of panicking, we thought, why don't we make a video and teach people how to get rings off of swollen knuckles and swollen fingers. Let me first start by saying that if you're in pain or losing circulation, head to the hospital and they'll be able to cut it off for you. But if you're fixing it at home, you can use one of my 4 favorite methods. There's Windex, Floss, dish soap, and ice water. Number 1, Windex. Really get in there, guys. Voila. Method number 2, floss or string. And then what you'll do is you have to thread this little piece under the ring. Now it's gonna be difficult depending on how swollen you actually are. So you thread it through the bottom just like that. I'm gonna go ahead and hold it here. And then what you'll do is you just keep wrapping it around your finger all the way up. And as you see, the skin on your finger is gonna start to kind of get compressed down and held down by that floss as you work it up your finger. And then you go from the back end now, and now you're going to unravel it. So you'll watch that floss bring my ring up. Here it's getting to that part of my knuckle, and voila. Method number 3 is dish soap. So what you're gonna do is you're just going to douse your finger and the ring with dish soap. Be a little bit gooey and uncomfortable, but you'll see that it literally slides right off. The 4th and final method is to soak your hand in ice water. Now keep in mind that this is going to be the most time-consuming one, because what you have to do is you have to soak your hand until the swelling in your finger goes down. So, gonna go right on in there. Holy moly, that is cold. What you'll do is when you feel like it's been cooled down enough, you'll be able to pull your ring off of that swollen knuckle. Problem solved. We got the ring off. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and I hope this video was helpful.